Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by stopping the app and removing transient data because cached errors often cause install failures. First, force stop Google Play Store, then clear cache and clear data. This resets corrupted temp files. Once done, check that you have at least 500 MB free so downloads can proceed, and then restart your device to restart all background services. Restarting completes the first round of fixes and often removes stuck processes that block Play Store functions. Next, target supporting services and credentials because the Play Store depends on them. Open Google Play Services, update it if available, or uninstall updates to force a fresh download. This resolves API mismatches. Then remove and re-add your Google account to refresh auth tokens and force a full sync. Also disable any VPN or proxy and verify device date and time are accurate, since authentication and certificate checks fail when time is off. These steps fix deeper authentication and compatibility causes. Finish by isolating persistent interference and, if needed, reset the system. Boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app blocks Play Store. If it works there, uninstall recent apps. Reserve a factory reset as a last resort. Backup contacts, photos, and app data because it erases everything. If problems persist after reset, record exact error codes and try a different Wi-Fi or mobile network. Often an ISP or router block causes repeats. One tip: error codes help technicians diagnose faster.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.